Welcome to the calendar connection portion of our Doodle video introduction series. I'm Aaron and I'll be your host in this quick guide. By connecting your calendar to Doodle, you can see your calendar appointments and the potential times for your meetings side by side, and you can sync the final events to your calendar. That means you have full control over your schedule and can prevent any double bookings or overbookings. Now keep in mind that no one else will have access to your calendar and your appointments are only visible to you. To connect your calendar, go to your account settings and select Calendars from the left side of the screen. You can add your Google or Office 365 calendar with a single click and then by simply following the account login instructions. All other calendars can be added by an ICS feed. So let's book a meeting with Bookable Calendar to see how this works in practice. I've set up this Bookable Calendar as a little more client-facing. I'd like anyone, especially prospects, to be able to book with me at any time. So I've added my work hours from 9 to 6, the future horizon as 1 week, and the minimum notice is 30 minutes, so I have a little time to prepare materials if need be. You can create multiple bookable calendars to suit your needs. I've added this bookable calendar linked to the footer of my emails and to some of our marketing materials so potential customers can get in touch with me. They'll open the link and see a calendar from which to choose a time. Bookable Calendar only presents the options that I'm free. These spaces represent the events that I already have booked in my calendar. This person would choose a time slot, add their email address, and confirm. The event will be added to my connected calendar automatically, and the person booking with me would then receive a calendar invite so that they can add it to their own. Connecting your calendar to Doodle will allow you to experience the full potential of Doodle scheduling. You get a clear view of your current appointments and your potential appointments, and you get a direct sync of all the meetings you schedule with Doodle. Now that your account is fully set up and your calendar is connected, let's schedule our first meeting. Stay tuned to learn how to schedule group meetings, one-on-one meetings, and set up your personal scheduling assistant Bookable Calendar.